Hello everyone and welcome to the 13th day of Nailmas, and don't forget to please like and subscribe for more videos. Alrighty, in today's tutorial we are doing a snowy robin. Just ignore my hands here showing you guys what I got out because I don't use everything. I'm starting with a pencil and I'm just marking out my fat little robin. He's going to be sitting on a little tree branch, and he's going to have a Santa Claus hat, and he's going to have a little green ribbon around his neck. So I'm just sort of blocking him out like so. I'm doing him on a bigger nail. You can do this on smaller nails. I've done them on smaller nails on clients. And I'm going to start off with a bright red. He's basically just black, red, and white. I do add some other colors afterwards. So right now I'm filling in the red of his belly, and then I will shade that with some black, and I will also fill in the red of his cheeks as well. And once I've done that, I will cure it for not a full 60 seconds, but close to 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And I almost forgot that I added the red to the top of the Santa Claus hat as well. And then I cure it. Alright, so now I'm going in, I'm mixing just the tiniest bit of gray with the black and the white for his beak. And then I sort of shade that a little more with the black to kind of, I want him to look like he's just, turned just slightly. And then I fill in his wings and the upper of his face, his feet, the branch he's sitting on, and I also create his tail feathers as well. And it all just looks like a big block of black, but I go in and I detail everything with the white, and then it becomes, I always say it brings it to life when you do all the smaller details. So once I've got that once I have that painted, I will cure it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So while waiting for that to cure, I take a little bit of dark green and I'm mixing it with some white to create a little bit of a lighter green. And this is going to be for the ribbon around his neck. And I'm going to just make it look like a little, bow's been tied around his neck. So I just kind of block out a little X shape and then continue it back off his neck and do the little ribbons. And then I cure that for 30 seconds. And now I'm taking the dark green here and I'm doing my shading like I've done on the blue Christmas bauble. I think that was like day 4 of Nailmas. Just shading it properly, and then I will go in with white and black on, well, I add black to the bow, but I'm going in here on the top of the hat and the little fuzzy on the end of the hat and adding all the tiny little, I call them whooshy, like little whooshy details, it's a little blurry here. It does come back into focus, I promise, but adding the little kind of like fuzzy details, like pulling the brush out. I don't know, when I do that I go whoosh, 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 whoosh. It's funny when I'm painting. You guys don't hear it in the videos, but I make some funny noises. And because a robin's eyes are completely black, I am just sort of highlighting with white and adding little light glimmers in the eyes, highlighting the beak, and I will go in with the little fine wispy details with the white. And when I am finished with all my fine details, I will add a no wipe top coat and we will be finished. All right, and there he is, all top coated and finished. I hope you guys enjoyed that little Santa Robin hand painted tutorial. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday, and I hope you guys continue to watch, and thank you for your support, and I hope you all stay jazzy.